Study time with me. Today we're doing vowel transformations and alive short vowels. Last time we did trying to study these. These were the vowels, the the I, and the ow. And were doing the test. I think we did well on the tests. Now we'll just go to the typing test for today. I'm going to practice if we can see, identify these new vowels and what sound they make. Okay. Oh, sassy mode on this one. Love me some sassy mode. Ooh. Okay, we know where ooh is, so I guess the old vowels are still in there as well. So we can practice a little bit of everything. Which reminds me, is going to be there. And we struggle with the Ooh. Okay, that's a long There we go. Okay, that's this guy. That's a new one. Really hard to say that for my Farang brain. Well, it's not hard to say. It's just a lot of muscle effort. Like these muscles my mouth has not used before. So I just go like, like I really gotta focus on it to say it correctly. Short Good to know I still remember my short vowels from last lesson. Ooh, short ooh. That's the new one. Oh, not that one. Short long there he is. Long E. Wait, what was it? That just sounds like a long right? Okay. Short Ooh, short ooh. My initial instinct is eh. Eh. Yeah, it sounds like we harmonize. 1B. No. I guess it's 2Bs. Will I ever learn my I learn it and then I forget it somehow. Ooh, short ooh. 2Bs. No, 1B. That's what I get for being confident. Like I'm learning new vowels. I'm learning 2 lessons of new vowels better than I'm doing my as, which I mastered a few times already. I should know these by now. Okay, that's Oh, show me my O. He's always on the second page. Imagine the letters switched. That would be a crazy keyboard. Someone should invent a language where like your keyboard always changes where the letter place is just to like mess with you. I don't know why anyone would need that besides for trolling. Reminds me of those videos where engineers were tasked with making the most useless volume bar. I don't know if y'all have ever seen that one, but it's a hilarious video. 2Bs. No confidence. Of course not. Okay, I need to focus more on my as. This is my fault for being sad. I'm not good at it. Ugh. Ow. Okay. This is our first time seeing ow. Does ow have its own keyboard slot? Oops. Okay. So ow uses the existing letters, but for some reason B and double B get their own letters. Like if they're getting their own letters, why doesn't ow get their own letter? And there's a dash in there? That's crazy. Okay, so there's the a dash. Oh, I typed that wrong. A dash, and then the B. Why does my dash now look like that dash? Do I got a shift or something? And then 1B. Okay. I lie. I'm confused too, girl. Ow. Am I crazy? Is that not the dash spot should be? Okay, we got our Where the heck is dash? Is it this dash? How do you do this? Or am I backwards? Now I'm confused. What does owl look like? I might be backwards. Is the B first? Is that what I'm doing wrong, guys? B dash ah. Okay. What if this dash ah? Okay.
Ow.
Oh, that is confusing. I'm gonna ask my wife later why this ah is here, because that doesn't seem right. But anyways, it's B first. That was a good one, testing the new vowels. But that is hard with the typing. That's why typing is good, because sometimes I'll know something's ow by reading it, but like I might not actually know it that well if I was asked to like handwrite it or spell it out myself. So that's why it's good to do the typing test as well.
Ow.
Again? Okay. Let's see if I remember. B first, then the dash. Okay. And then the ah. Yes. Short
Eh.
Eh. Okay, let's try to harmonize. Eh. Or is it ah?
Eh.
That sounds like eh, 1B. This better be right. I feel like this has to be right. Okay.
Ooh.
We can get it right if we focus really, really, really hard. Brother. Same thing.
Ow.
Ow. Okay, our new favorite letter. We know this. We just did it twice. We know where this is. And then we go like this. Boom.
E.
E. Short E. Down here. Long
Eh.
Okay, my problem child. Eh. Or
Eh.
ah.
Eh.
It sounds like 1B to me. I hear not ah. Let's do it and see what happens. Oh,
Ah.
look at that. We're learning, guys. Ooh.
E.
E long.
Ah.
Short.
Uh.
Short.
Ow.
Ow. Our new best friend. Do 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 do. Wee. Um. He gets his own little letter.
E.
I guess no one else uses the circle, so it would make sense he gets his own letter. All alone.
Ooh.
Hey, we got 17, guys. That's not bad. There he is.
Ooh.
Ooh. Give me the long one.
Ooh.
Ooh, then that's the short one.
Uh.
Short.
I.
Okay, so dude, does either one fine? Is it this one or is it this one? Let's see where the letter is. Because they make the same sound, right? So it shouldn't be an issue. Okay, it's the one up there. This is the one that's almost always the answer, right, guys? Because, like, this one's the one that only has exceptions sometimes. Like, there's like 5 times that it's used or something. But this one's, like, used most of the time for I think, if I remember from the lesson correctly.
Ooh.
Ooh, short ooh. Short short
Eh.
Okay, let's harmonize, guys. We got 26. Let's keep the streak going. Eh,
Eh.
or ah,
Eh.
ah.
Eh.
No, it definitely sounds like 1B. I feel so confident that I'm almost questioning if I'm right, because, like, I'm scared of my confidence. But let's just go with it. We'll see. Yes.
E.
Y'all, put pasatai sometimes. Sometimes put pasatai. How do you say sometimes? I know, like, bang? Bang is some? What would be sometimes? Bang tam? To do some? Tam bang? I don't know. I feel that feels wrong. That doesn't sound right. Someone let me know if bang tam is a crazy thing to say. Um, but yeah, what was this? I got distracted.
E.
E, long E. There we go, guys.
I.
I. It's this I.
U.
Uh,
U.
uh. Short version.
E.
Okay. Eh.
E.
Or ah.
E.
Ah.
E.
I hear eh again. 1B. Um, I'm never sure. Even when I think I'm right, I'm not even sure I'm right. So let's just go with it. 1B. We got a streak of 31. Hey, if we get to 50, we could just go on to the next lesson because we've done all the current new vowels. I think we have an idea of where they're located. Yes.
Um.
Um, there we go. Boom.
U.
I guess we wouldn't go to the next lesson. I think there's a couple more tests on this lesson, but it'd be nice to go to the next test.
U.
Ooh, short ooh. Shorty got a melody.
E.
E, short E.
E.
Again.
U.
Ooh, short ooh.
E.
E, short E.
Um.
There he is.
Uh.
Ah, long ah.
O.
Oh, long O.
Ow.
Ow. We haven't done ow in a minute. Oh, we're at 41. Guys, we're getting close. Better not get ow wrong. The B is first, which makes sense because, like, in the vowel placement, B is always before and ah is after, always after. I don't know why I would have thought any different? Okay, and the ah. Nice.
Ah.
We're at 42. 8 more, guys.
Ow.
Ow. Again. Okay, that's the B, the dash, and then the ah.
U.
Ooh, short ooh.
E.
E, short E.
E.
Again.
E.
Ha ha ha. Again.
Um.
Um. Short
E.
Did we do it, guys? 50, we did it! Yo, we can go to the next lesson. Let's go speed round with this just for like fun, see if we can get to 100. But like this is good enough. 50 is good enough to go to the next lesson. Look at us learning our vowels. Put pasatai gang mak if I do say so myself. I know my vowels. Um, sorry, I got excited. What was this? Speed round.
E.
E, long E. Look at our typing skills. We type so fast.
I.
I, boom. I know where that letter is now.
U.
That's a long ooh. He's on the second page. I
E.
could do a 2-page Thai typing. That's me now.
E.
E. You could call me the Thai typing machine.
E.
E. Boom.
Eh.
Should we speed round it? I already forgot.
Eh.
Or is it
Eh.
I think it's 2 B's. Ooh, there we go. Hey,
U.
we know our vowels. We were just a little rusty. We know our I lied at the beginning of this video. We're actually very good at our as now. Watch me jinx myself if I get the next one wrong. But we're doing okay.
E.
E, short E.
U.
Long.
U.
Again.
U.
Long ooh.
U.
Ooh, short.
O.
Oh,
I.
I.
E.
Eh?
E.
Or is it eh?
E.
Ah, that's 1B.
I.
I know it's against the like vibe of the speed round, but I want to get my as right. I guess the next one I'll do a one try just for you guys.
E.
E long.
Ow.
Ow. This one takes me a minute to type out. Oh no, I did it in 3 seconds. I missed that. Uh, this guy. Eh. I'll do a 1B. I said we'll do speed round. Okay. Whew, I'm sweating. I totally knew that would be the answer. That's long. Ooh, that's short. That's long. Long again. Eh. Eh. I'm not confident. I want to listen to it again, but we're dead. We do one listen. Since I'm not confident, I'm gonna go with 2Bs just because I feel like I'd be more confident if it was 1B. No, I was wrong. How am I? Okay, sorry. But like I think we're good. We're good enough to go to the next test in this lesson. Not bad, guys. Not bad. I'm happy. Okay, what is the next test? Try out this practice to see if you can identify the vowel with just the sound they make. We did that. Try out this practice to see if you can write the word with vowels. Ooh, that sounds fun. Just a little preview because the video getting a little long. We'll do this next time. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, let's see this again. Jam. Oh, okay. Now that's really going to test our skills if we could like, it's one thing to know the vowels, another one to like identify it within a vowel. So this is going to be a crazy skill we learn. I will say so. All right. I'll see you guys next time. I think it's going to be a crazy lesson.